Hey there, amazing soul, it's Mel here, and I'm so pumped you're here. This is more than just reading, it's about unlocking the incredible potential inside you. We all have dreams, big and small. Sometimes those dreams feel impossible. Self-doubt creeps in. Fear holds us back. But guess what? You are capable of incredible things. This is your journey, and I'm here to cheer you on every step of the way. We're in this together. Are you ready to unleash your inner rock star? Let's go. Here's the thing. You are bursting with potential. Don't ever doubt that. We all face challenges, but they don't define us. They make us stronger, wiser, more resilient. What are you passionate about? What lights you up inside? That's your potential calling. Don't let anyone tell you it's too big, too crazy, or too late. It's never too late to chase your dreams. You have everything you need within you right now to start. Yes, you heard me right. Believe in yourself, because I believe in you. Let's be real, the road to success isn't always smooth. There will be bumps, detours, and maybe even a few roadblocks. But guess what? That's totally normal. Failure isn't the opposite of success. It's a stepping stone. Every stumble, every setback is an opportunity to learn and grow. Embrace the challenges, dust yourself off, and come back stronger. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. We all fall, but it's how we rise that defines us. So let's rise together, stronger than ever.
First of all, what went through my mind is how stupid am I to actually...
Here's a secret weapon: action. Don't wait for the perfect moment or until you feel ready. The perfect time is now. The first step is always the hardest, but it's also the most powerful. What's one small action you can take right now towards your dream? Write it down, commit to it, and then do it. Action creates momentum, and momentum fuels success. Don't overthink it, just start. Your future self will thank you. Section 5. Sharing your journey, inspiring others. This section is all about the power of sharing your personal journey and how it can inspire others to take action in their own lives. You know what's even more powerful than taking action? It's sharing your journey and inspiring others to do the same. When you share your story, you open up a world of possibilities for those who might be struggling or looking for direction. Sharing your journey and inspiring others to do the same. Your story matters. Every experience, every challenge, and every victory you have faced can serve as a beacon of hope for someone else. When you put your story out there, you give others the courage to face their own challenges. Your experiences can ignite a fire in someone else's heart. Think about the times when you felt lost or unsure. What if you had heard a story similar to yours? It could have made all the difference. By sharing your journey, you become that difference for someone else. Share your goals, your challenges, your victories, big or small. Whether it's a small step forward or a major milestone, your story can inspire others to keep pushing forward. Social media is a powerful tool for this. A simple post about your progress can reach and motivate countless people. Leave a comment below, and let's create a community of support and inspiration. When we come together and share our stories, we build a network of encouragement and positivity. Your comment could be the spark that someone else needs to keep going. Together, we can achieve anything. When we support each other and share our journeys, we create a powerful force for change. Celebrating each other's successes and learning from each other's challenges makes us all stronger. Your voice has the power to uplift, motivate, and empower. Whether you're speaking to a large audience or mentoring someone one-on-one, your words can have a profound impact. Don't be afraid to share your insights and experiences. Don't underestimate the impact you can have on others. Sometimes, the smallest gesture or the simplest story can make the biggest difference. When you share your journey, you might not see the immediate impact, but know that you are planting seeds of inspiration. Share your light with the world. Your positivity and your story can brighten someone's day and give them the strength to keep moving forward. So don't hold back. Let your light shine and inspire others to do the same. Together, we can create a ripple effect of positivity and change. Section 6. Small steps, big victories. Remember, success isn't always about giant leaps. It's about the small, consistent steps you take every day. Think about the businessman or woman meticulously taking notes, the athlete training tirelessly, or the entrepreneur working diligently in a small office. Each of these individuals understands that progress is made through steady, incremental efforts. It's about the small, consistent steps you take every day. Picture yourself jogging in the morning, feeling the fresh air fill your lungs, or writing in a journal, capturing your thoughts and dreams. Even watering plants, nurturing them day by day, is a testament to the power of small actions. These daily habits, though they may seem insignificant, accumulate over time to create significant change. Each step, no matter how small, builds upon the last, moving you closer to your goals. Imagine a time-lapse of a plant growing, each frame showing a tiny bit of progress. Or think of adding bricks to a wall one by one, until a sturdy structure stands tall. Even watching a progress bar fill up on a computer screen can be a reminder that every little bit counts. These small steps are the building blocks of your success. Celebrate every victory, no matter how tiny. Did you finally start that project you've been putting off? High five! Did you learn something new today? Awesome! Each of these moments, no matter how small they may seem, are victories worth celebrating. They fuel your belief in yourself and your ability to achieve your goals. Did you finally start that project you've been putting off? High five! Maybe you sat down to write in a notebook, setting your thoughts and plans into motion. Or perhaps you set up a new workspace, creating an environment that fosters productivity. Even opening a laptop to begin a new task is a step forward. These actions, though they may seem small, are the beginnings of something greater. Did you learn something new today? Awesome! Whether it's reading a book, learning a new skill on a computer, or attending a class, each new piece of knowledge adds to your arsenal. These small steps of learning and growth are essential in your journey towards success. They build your confidence and expand your capabilities. Every win, big or small, fuels your belief in yourself. You've got this. Each time you achieve something, no matter how minor it may seem, it boosts your confidence and reinforces your belief in your abilities. Whether it's a confident smile, crossing a finish line, or giving a thumbs up, these moments of success are powerful motivators. Keep taking those steps, and watch in amazement as you achieve incredible things. Imagine a time-lapse of a project being completed, each step bringing you closer to the final result. Picture yourself reaching a summit, looking back at the path you've climbed, or envision someone looking proudly at their achievements, knowing that each small step led to this moment. These are the rewards of persistence and dedication. So keep moving forward, one step at a time, and witness the incredible things you can achieve. Section 7. Ignite the flame, inspire the world. This section is all about finding that inner spark, that driving force within you that pushes you to achieve greatness. It's about recognizing your potential and using it to inspire not just yourself, but everyone around you. When you ignite your flame, you become a beacon of hope and motivation for others. Now that you're fired up and taking action, it's time to channel that energy into something meaningful. Think about the projects you've always wanted to start, the goals you've set but never pursued. This is your moment. Embrace the challenge, and let your determination guide you. Remember, every great achievement starts with a single step. It's time to spread the inspiration. When you take action, you not only change your own life, but also influence those around you. Your enthusiasm is contagious. Imagine the impact you can have on your community, your friends, and your family. By sharing your journey, you encourage others to embark on their own paths of self-discovery and achievement. Share this message with someone who needs to hear it. We all know someone who could use a little encouragement, a little push to get started. Whether it's a friend, a colleague, or even a stranger, your words can make a difference. Use social media, personal conversations, or any platform you have to spread positivity and motivation. Let's create a ripple effect of positivity and empowerment. Just like a stone creates ripples in water, your actions can create waves of change. When you inspire one person, they in turn inspire others. This chain reaction can lead to a community, a society, and eventually a world filled with empowered individuals striving for their best. Imagine a world where everyone believes in their potential and takes action towards their dreams. A world where people support each other, celebrate each other's successes, and work together towards common goals. This vision can become a reality if we all commit to being the best versions of ourselves and helping others do the same. And takes action towards their dreams. Every step you take, every milestone you reach, brings you closer to your goals. And as you climb your own mountains, you set an example for others to follow. Your achievements become a testament to the power of perseverance and hard work. That's the world I want to live in, a world where success is shared and celebrated, where communities come together to support each other. Imagine the joy and fulfillment that comes from knowing you've played a part in someone else's success. This is the essence of a truly inspired world, and I know you do too. We all have a desire to make a positive impact, to leave a legacy of kindness and inspiration. By working together, we can create a network of support and encouragement that reaches far and wide. Let's commit to being there for each other, to lifting each other up in times of need. Together, we can make a difference. When we join forces, our collective energy and passion can move mountains. Whether it's through volunteering, mentoring, or simply being a positive presence in someone's life, our actions matter. Let's harness the power of community to drive change and make the world a better place. Let's ignite the flame within ourselves. Take a moment to reflect on your own journey, your own dreams. What is it that sets your soul on fire? What are the passions that drive you? By understanding and embracing these, you can fuel your own flame and keep it burning bright, and inspire the world to shine brighter. When we all shine our individual lights, we create a world that is vibrant, hopeful, and full of possibilities. Let's commit to being sources of inspiration, to lighting the way for others, and to building a future where everyone can thrive. Section 8. Thank you for being part of this movement. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for being part of this journey. Your willingness to embrace your potential and take action inspires me every single day. Never stop believing in yourself. Never stop chasing your dreams, and never forget, you are capable of amazing things. Now go out there and make it happen. I'm cheering you on every step of the way.